Imagine a world where your home is run by robots, handling tasks from cleaning to cooking, and even helping with personal tasks. Sounds like science fiction? Well, it's already happening. In today's video, we're diving into how robots are making their way into homes and transforming the way we live. Quick preview of the video content. We'll be exploring some of the most innovative robots for the home, how they work, the benefits they bring, and what the future holds for AI and robotics in our daily lives. Types of robots in the home. Cleaning robots. Let's start with the most common type of home robot, cleaning robots. Roomba, for example, revolutionized how we think about vacuuming. But now, robots have evolved from simple vacuum cleaners to more advanced machines that can mop, sweep, and even wash your windows. Show footage of a robot vacuum cleaning a floor. These robots are equipped with AI that allows them to map out your home, avoid obstacles, and even return to their charging station when needed. With regular software updates, they keep getting smarter, learning from their surroundings and adapting their cleaning strategy. Personal assistant robots. Next up, we have personal assistant robots. Think of them as your virtual butler. With AI-powered assistants like Amazon Echo or Google Nest, these devices are already helping us control lights, temperature, and even play music with just a voice command. But, as robots get more advanced, we're seeing devices that are even more interactive. Clips showing robots like Jibwa or Pepper in action. Some robots, like Pepper, can recognize emotions and carry out meaningful conversations. They act as companions, assist in elderly care, and can even make your home smarter by controlling your other smart devices. The benefits of robots in the home. Convenience and time saving. One of the main reasons people love having robots at home is the time they save. Instead of spending hours vacuuming or washing dishes, you can have a robot take care of those tasks while you focus on more important things, or just relax. Cut to a busy parent relaxing while the robot vacuum works. For busy families or working professionals, robots help streamline household chores, giving us back precious time. Accessibility for the elderly and disabled. Robots also provide amazing benefits for the elderly or people with disabilities. Some robots are designed to help with mobility, assist with daily tasks like feeding or dressing, and even provide companionship, reducing feelings of loneliness and improving mental well-being. Show footage of robots like LEQ or Rob Ear helping elderly individuals. Robots like LEQ are specifically created to engage with seniors, remind them to take medications, and provide an easy interface for family members to stay connected. Smart kitchens and cooking robots. Cooking robots. Now, let's talk about one of the coolest areas. Cooking robots. These devices are designed to make meal prep effortless. Robots like Molly have high-tech systems that can replicate the actions of a chef, chop vegetables, and even cook entire meals from scratch. Show footage of a cooking robot preparing a dish. Imagine telling your robot what you want for dinner, and it delivers a perfect meal with little to no effort from you. It's like having your very own personal chef. Smart fridges and pantry management. Even our fridges are getting smarter. Companies like Samsung and LG have introduced smart fridges that can track expiration dates, suggest recipes, and even order groceries for you when your supplies are running low. Display visuals of a smart fridge with an integrated touchscreen. This level of convenience brings a new era of kitchen technology, and we're just getting started. The future of home robots. Fully integrated smart homes. As robots and AI continue to evolve, we're heading toward fully integrated smart homes where robots will seamlessly interact with each other. Imagine all your devices, from your fridge to your lights, working together, with a central robot orchestrating the entire operation. Visualize a futuristic home with robots coordinating everything. This isn't just a dream. We're already seeing early signs of this technology in action with systems like Amazon Alexa, Google Assistant, and home hubs that connect all smart devices. Ethical concerns and limitations. Of course, as with any new technology, there are concerns. How much should we rely on robots? Will they replace human jobs, and are they safe to use? While robots bring incredible convenience, these are questions we need to address as we integrate them into our homes. Show a balance of positive and negative viewpoints. The future of robots in homes looks bright, but it's important to continue discussing these ethical questions as the technology advances. Security and surveillance robots. Home security robots. Beyond just cleaning, robots are becoming key players in home security. Robots like RoboGuard and Nightscope are designed to patrol your home or property, providing surveillance 24/7. These robots use sensors, cameras, and AI to detect unusual movements, recognize faces, and even alert homeowners of potential intruders. Clip showing a security robot patrolling the home or yard. What's great about security robots is that they can access areas that would normally be difficult for human security personnel to monitor all the time. With facial recognition and AI-driven threat detection, they can send alerts to your phone, ensuring that your home is constantly protected. Smart doorbell robots. Another cool example is smart doorbell robots, like Ring or Nest Hello. These devices don't just give you a doorbell chime. They include cameras that let you see who's at the door, speak to visitors remotely, and even monitor deliveries with the help of AI. Display footage of smart doorbells in action. As these devices become more advanced, they can integrate with other robots in the home to provide even greater security, such as notifying you if someone is lingering too long near your door or detecting suspicious packages. Entertainment robots. Companion robots. Entertainment isn't all about movies and games. Robots like Sony's Ibwa or Lika are designed to engage, entertain, and even provide companionship. Ibwa, for example, is an AI-powered robotic dog that responds to voice commands, interacts with its environment, and even forms emotional bonds with its owners. Show footage of Ibwa interacting with a family. While Ibwa might not replace your real dog, it certainly offers emotional benefits for people who can't own pets due to allergies or living restrictions. These robots can offer comfort and even help alleviate loneliness, especially for the elderly. AI-powered smart speakers for entertainment. Smart speakers like Amazon Echo, Google Nest, or Apple HomePod aren't just for controlling your home. They are evolving into full-blown entertainment centers. You can ask them to play music, tell jokes, control smart lights, and even create a full home entertainment experience with synchronized audio systems. Show a family enjoying music or interacting with a smart speaker. The ability to sync entertainment across your entire home with just your voice makes your living space more enjoyable, and as AI improves, these speakers will get even more intuitive in how they respond to you. Health monitoring robots. Elderly care robots. Health and wellness is another crucial area where robots are making a huge impact. With an aging population, robots designed to assist the elderly are becoming more common. For example, robotic, developed in Japan, is designed to help lift patients in and out of bed. Its gentle handling capabilities make it ideal for elderly care in home settings. Cut to footage of robotic assisting with elderly care. These robots can help with mobility, monitor vitals, or even remind elderly individuals to take their medications, improving both physical and mental well-being. In fact, some of these robots are designed to detect signs of stress or discomfort in a person's voice or face, alerting caregivers when needed. Health monitoring devices. And it's not just physical robots. Many AI-powered health monitoring devices are designed to keep track of your well-being from the comfort of your home. Smart devices like Withings smart scales or Fitbit trackers are becoming integrated with your smart home systems to monitor things like heart rate, weight, and sleep quality. Display visuals of a health monitoring robot or smart scale. The more data we have about our health, the more proactive we can be in maintaining it. Imagine these devices working together to give you a comprehensive health report in real time, allowing you to make better choices every day. The environmental impact of home robots. Eco-friendly robots. With increasing concerns about sustainability, robots are also starting to make a positive impact on the environment. Some robots, like iRobot's Roomba, are designed to operate efficiently, using minimal energy while completing cleaning tasks. The vacuuming robots are also becoming more eco-conscious by using recyclable materials in their designs. Show footage of eco-friendly robots in action. Beyond that, other robots are designed to help reduce waste and improve energy efficiency in the home. For instance, smart thermostats adjust heating and cooling systems to save energy, while AI-powered systems can monitor water usage and reduce unnecessary waste. Solar-powered robots. We're even seeing robots powered by renewable energy, such as solar panels. These robots are becoming a great solution for remote areas where traditional energy resources might not be readily available. Solar-powered cleaning robots or security bots that can work autonomously without needing to be recharged frequently are paving the way for more sustainable tech. Challenges and concerns with home robots. Privacy and security risks. As with any technology, there are concerns. When robots are constantly monitoring our homes, privacy becomes a key issue. Devices that have cameras, microphones, and sensors can potentially be hacked, leading to security breaches. It's essential that manufacturers focus on robust security features and encryption. Show examples of common security breaches in tech, like hacking incidents. It's up to us as consumers to ensure our robots are secure by regularly updating software and being cautious about the data we share with these devices. Reliability and maintenance. Another challenge is the reliability of these robots. They are amazing at performing specific tasks, but they aren't perfect. Whether it's a cleaning robot that misses a spot or a cooking robot that fails to get the recipe right, there's still room for improvement. Plus, maintenance of these robots can be costly, especially as their tech advances. So, as we've seen, the world of robots in the home is evolving at an astonishing rate. We're not just talking about gadgets anymore. We're talking about real, practical innovations that could change the way we live, work, and even think about our homes. And honestly, who wouldn't want a robot that can clean, cook, and make you laugh? Imagine a future where your home is truly smarter than you are, and it's all powered by AI. Whether we're ready for it or not, it's coming. But here's the real question. Will these robots make our lives better, or will they just take over? Will they be our helpers, or could they become our rivals in the home? Maybe it's not as far off as we think. What do you think? Will you be inviting robots into your home anytime soon?